Halo, my name is Rana Mentari with NIM 63241020. I want to give an opinion about Bahrain versus Indonesia match. The match between Indonesia versus Bahrain could be an important moment to assess how far the Indonesian national team has developed internally, especially in facing a more experienced and more solid team like Bahrain. Indonesia and Bahrain have different playing styles. Indonesia often relies on fast attack and the creativity of young players such as Egy and Asnawi. However, on the other hand, Bahrain is known for its more structured, disciplined, and solid game in defense, and this is a big challenge for Indonesia in the finance of maintaining defensive stability and controlling the tempo of the game. Bahrain is more established team at Asian level with experienced player in regional and international. They often rely on team cohesion and more mature strategies in facing opponents like Indonesia. Overall, the Indonesia versus Bahrain match is a big test for the Indonesian national team. Make sure how far they have developed on the international stage. Whatever the result, this will be a valuable experience for players and coach to face bigger challenge in the future. I think that's no opinion for me. Thank you.
Rana Mentari, kelas 631A26 with NIM 63241020, Prodi Akuntansi, Universitas Dina Sarana Informatika. I will present continuous and introduction. Present continuous tense is a tense that refers to activities that are currently taking place or when the conversation is taking place. This tense is also known as the present progressive tense or present imperfect. Adverb of time. Adverb of time that are absent as in the present continuous tense. The first, now, right now, at the moment, today, this, bisa digunakan untuk morning, afternoon, evening, time of speaking. Adverbs of time, no. Example, she is studying now. Right now, example, they are working the project right now. And the last, at the moment, example, they are playing football after a moment. Around the time of speaking. At first of time, the first this week, example, I am taking a yoga class this week. And the second, this month, example, they are traveling to Europe this month. And third, this year, example, she is learning French this year. And last, still, example, I am still thinking about moving to Europe. Formula or rumus. This positive sentence S plus B plus Cn. Example, I am cooking in the kitchen now. She is doing her homework now. And the second negative sentence. Example, I am not cooking in the kitchen now. She is not doing her homework now. Inter, inter, interrogative intent, inter, interrogative sentence. Example, am I cooking in the chicken now?